Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for red beans and rice. Rich, smoky, slow-cooked comfort food with creamy beans, spicy sausage, and a deep Cajun flavor in every bite. And I'll show you why building flavor in layers is the key to making red beans and rice that taste like it cooked all day, because technically, it did. For this recipe, you'll need dry red kidney beans, andouille sausage, a smoked turkey leg, olive oil, onion, green bell pepper, celery, fresh minced garlic, chicken stock, Cajun seasoning, cayenne, dried thyme, and dried sage. And for serving, you'll need cooked white rice, green onions, and hot sauce like Louisiana or Crystal's, whichever is your favorite. Be sure to soak the beans overnight or at least the morning of if you're making this later in the evening. That helps the beans cook more evenly and cuts down the overall cook time quite a bit. Begin by slicing the onions, celery, and green bell pepper into small pieces. I like them fairly small so they add flavor throughout the dish without becoming a major texture. Set them aside in a mixing bowl. Next, slice the andouille sausage into bite-sized pieces. I like these smaller too, so you get sausage in almost every bite instead of a few giant pieces scattered throughout the pot. Then pull all of the meat from the smoked turkey leg and roughly chop or shred it. It doesn't need to be perfect because it'll continue breaking down as the beans simmer. Now, heat some olive oil in a large Dutch oven and add the sausage and smoked turkey. Cook the meat until the sausage starts browning and the fat begins rendering out. This step builds a ton of flavor at the bottom of the pot, and we don't want to lose any of that. Once the sausage is browned, add the onion, celery, and bell pepper. As the vegetables cook down, they'll release moisture and naturally deglaze the bottom of the Dutch oven. That's where a lot of flavor in red beans and rice comes from. Cook the vegetables until softened and the onions turn translucent. Then add the minced garlic and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes just until fragrant. At this point, your kitchen should already smell incredible. Now, add the soaked red kidney beans and stir everything together so the beans pick up all that flavor from the meat and vegetables. Then, pour in the chicken stock and give everything another good stir. Lastly, stir in the Cajun seasoning, cayenne, thyme, and sage. Bring the pot to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to low and let everything simmer for about 2 hours or until the beans are soft and creamy. As the beans cook, some of them will naturally begin breaking down and thickening the broth. That's exactly what you want. If the beans still seem firm after 2 hours, just keep simmering until they soften completely. Good red beans take a little patience. Once they're done, the beans should be creamy, the broth should be thickened, and the sausage and smoked turkey should be tender throughout. Serve the red beans over cooked white rice alongside some freshly baked cornbread, and then finish it off with sliced green onions and a few splashes of your favorite Cajun hot sauce. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes like this red beans and rice, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your red beans and rice turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.